Hey, hey, people of the internet, and I guess of the world, yeah. Yeah. So, what am I doing? Wrapping everything in what looks like what's it called? Foil. No, I'm not. This is insulation. Pretty thick stuff. Not bad. It's a 1 centimeter thickness. What the hell was it called again? Something foam. Yeah, whatever. So yeah, I'm just all the bits that are going to be steelwork basically. I don't want to be able to touch them underneath the auto carpet because it'd be cold, you know. A little of the cold will conduct through the auto carpet, so just being a bit naughty and very badly sticking all this stuff on. I mean, the auto carpet's going to hide all the sins, believe me. That's what I hope anyway. I've got quite a bad bit down here where it's not sticking properly, so I've got to address that. I've seen it on people's van builds where they've used this stuff underneath their auto carpet, and the sticky stuff that this comes with, it's good in some areas, but it's not good in others. For instance, where there's curves, it doesn't like that. Hates curves. So yeah, you've got to sort of, like here, I should have really put a slit in that there, but I don't know, that seems to have got pretty good, that one. Sticking really well. But this one underneath, it's got a curve that goes up and around like this shape. So I need to cut a line in it and let it find its own level. And then when it's all done, you just cover it over with that, wherever the hell it's disappeared to. That tape, you know, that, I've not even got any, oh there you go. That's foil tape, just to make it a nice smooth edge, and then your auto carpet over the top of it. Easy squeezy peasy lemons. I'm still not sure what I'm doing with this cable yet. This gives out a constant 12 volts, but I'm pretty sure I'll find a use for it. Even if it's just for a battery monitor, I'll find a use for it. You know, just to get 12 volts and tell me what charge there is in the battery on the front. The starting battery, so to speak. Yeah, this stuff looks like it's coming unstuck. Don't do that to me, please. Yeah, you can see how that bit there, it's not stuck down. I did curve that around that gap there, but it slowly unstuck itself and now it's sat absolutely flush. It's because I need to cut along it and let it find its level, so to speak. Which I will do, like I've done with this side lot. You see, I put that slit down it. That just makes it so it'll stick nice. Now this top piece up here, I have not done it with that yet, although I've got to. That's the next job I'm doing, so I best get on with it. Don't want to talk forever on this video. Wow, it went dark on me. Crikey me, that's a bright-eyed star up there. I don't think that is a star, is it? That's going to be all the planets, I think. Not sure which one. Anyway, oh, that blue looks so cool on the camera. Anyway, it's starting to look like a spaceship in here actually, isn't it, eh? All this tinfoil and insulation that's happening. So, as you can see, I've done nothing pretty much from the last video. I've hardly done anything at all. But you wouldn't believe how long... Yes?
Sorry.
Right. As Bill Gates said once upon a time, moving right along. Yeah, you won't believe how long it takes to actually stick this stuff down and cut it all into shape, and to get it all into the curves and things. I've got a big hole there I've got to do something with, but I can do something with that in a bit. Yeah. Oh, I really hope I'm not coming down with this virus. I've got an horrific headache. I've had it now for quite a while. Oh no, look at that, it's not stuck. There's always one. That's stuck pretty good actually. Didn't think that would stick down, but it has. Yeah. A lot of people, when they auto carpet these things, they forget, and they auto carpet right to the lip of the door, which is not a good idea, because if you do that, the rubber seal doesn't seal against the door anymore, and water charges in. You end up getting wet feet at night. Or wet head, wet hair if you sleep with your head this end. Fun. Right, that'll do for today, I think. I'm hopefully, fingers crossed, going to be auto carpeting this tomorrow. Not this side, because I've still got work to do, but auto carpeting here. Probably a bit around this top as well. Yes. Hoping fully I'm going to be auto carpeting this. Still not deciding on colour theme yet. I've got the auto carpet. I've got 3 different colours to go for. I've got beige, which is more of a creamy colour. It's called wheat. So we'll see how that goes. I've got wheat colour. I've got that weird dark grey colour that begins with A, like Alcantara or something. I always thought that was a BMW interior myself, but whatever. And I've just got, you know, nice plain black. My plan is to, all the bits where you see with foil on it, apart from the thing there, and probably this bit here where the torch is shining on, all this at the top's going to be in that dark greyish colour, that Alcantara colour, whatever it is. The panel that goes in there, I think, which is just up there, look, already got the insulation on it, I think that's going to go wheat colour to about halfway, like here, where this nice support bar going across the van. I think I'll do it wheat colour. And then below, everything below that I think is going to be black. So there's going to be like a tie line, you know, tie mark line all around the van. And we're going to go for black, all low down colours, all low down, sorry, is going to be black. Just because it's going to be easy to maintain, you know, if I scuff it with my shoe or something, it's not going to show up. You know, easiness. Ooh, that's a message on WhatsApp, I do believe. No, you're not having my WhatsApp number. Yeah. So, for now, I think that'll do. Around the edge of the door as well I've done with the stuff, so the opposite side of that. Would that be the C-pillar? I guess that would be the C-pillar. Yeah. So the edge of that now I've done with this stuff. I've also got to do along the roof up there as well with this. I can't remember the name of this stuff now. It's right on the tip of my tongue as well. It's almost like extruded, not extruded polystyrene, but extruded foam or something. Expanded foam? No, expanded foam. Whatever. I've got to do all the way along there as well with it. Somewhere I have got to fit battens in for the roof. I probably should have done that. Before I did all this, but screw it. Because that's literally what I'm going to do. I'm just going to screw it into this thing just up here. Yeah, I'll just do that. Yeah, we'll see how it works. I'm not yet sure how I'm fixing the roof to this plyboard roof that I've got, which is here, which I've actually done an horrific mistake on. I've actually cut that too narrow, 10 centimetres too narrow, which I don't know how the hell I screwed that up so good. I am rather peed about it, but I'm still going to use it, because what I'm going to do, like I say, I'm going to have cupboards going all the way to the roof, in the hopes that I can sort of hide the fact the roof is 10 centimeters too short in that. Above the door I'm just going to put, I don't know, something like a strip of aluminium or something nice and simple. Build a light into it maybe, so make it look like it's supposed to be there. Put LED light on it, a strip light or something. We'll see. And one thing I don't think I have showed you on this is the space, the sheer amount of space where the bulk, the roof is. I mean, look at this up here. I never knew that there was like gaps and things. Look at that. It's like a whole new cubby hole in there. It's huge. You could fit a 2-litre bottle in each side. That's how big that is, I kid you not. It's massive. So, yeah. Now, I kind of hoped that I was going to be able to put a microwave up there. But I don't think I will. I don't think I'll have enough space to put a microwave up there. So, instead I'm going to try and build the microwave on the floor somewhere down below. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I have also got to find somewhere for that inverter to fit in. So we're going to see what I can do with that. Like I say, there's plenty of room under the seats, so we'll see what I can do under the seat. The front seat there. The inverter may have to go there. Also, the diesel heater. I've got to put that somewhere as well. That may have to go underneath the seat. Or, it's not the best place for it to go. It may have to actually go completely under the van and just have it ducted into the van. If I did it this side, I have actually got a very nice vent there that I could use. It's in a bit of a naff place because it's right where the wheel sprays up all the water, but I'm pretty sure I can figure something out. There is, like I say in my other video, underneath that vent, this side of the vent, so around here, below this pillar, there is quite a bit of rust there, where the water has flicked up and it's rusted out some supports. But I think I can repair that. It's going to be easy enough to fix. It's not in bad. I should be able to fix it, no worries. So it is going to be another day where I'm going to be doing this stuff on this side. At least I know what I'm getting into now. Oh, and yeah, this stuff is a godsend. Yeah, really recommend this stuff. It's just like aluminium tape. It's really good. So yeah, that about does it. Nothing else really to report. Still no any close to getting the floor down. Still haven't got any boarding to put down yet. Actually, I have got some Celotex I can put down. Can't remember how wide it is, but it's supposed to be for the other van, but I'm pretty sure I could steal some. If you don't say anything, I won't say anything. Alright, that'll do. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Peace out.